my channel. So if you can't already tell by the title of the video, I am moving, which is very, very exciting. I'm going back to San Diego, which is my hometown, and honestly there's nothing like home. So obviously I'm very, very excited to move back, and also just update on, like, if you were following my past videos about buying a home, that's just like not happening anymore because it is a big seller's market and it's just like way too expensive. The houses are like out of the roof expensive, and it's just like too hard, too much, and it's just like a no. I'd rather just do a really cool apartment, save up, and then later on buy a house. And also I'm still like pretty young, so it's like not that big of a deal. So that is what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna be viewing San Diego apartments today. And my three main criterias are: one, that it is in a good location, which I am looking into those locations only. Two is that it is like a big 1-bedroom or a 2-bedroom, just because I am gonna work and live there, so I want that work and life separation. 3, I really want really good lighting, just because I feel like that just puts me in a better mood and I'm just happier with good lighting and a lot of window space. And 4, I really want in-unit laundry, just because I didn't have that in my current LA place and I did not like that at all, so I learned from my mistakes. But anyways, we're on our way to downtown, so we're gonna check some apartments here and I'll take you along with me, so let's go. Okay, so this was the first apartment, and as you can tell, it was a really nice kitchen. It was remodeled, so everything was new. It was darker finishes though, which I wasn't a big fan of, but it's okay. And then this is one of the rooms. As you can tell, it had big windows, so great lighting. And this also had a closet inside this room, and this room would be like an office space, so it was quite spacious. And then over here you can see the living room. Again, amazing window space, so that was really great. And then here is the master bedroom, which is more window space, which I absolutely loved. And then there was another closet, and I kind of like the layout of this one because I don't know, I just thought it was really cool. And then this is the bathroom. It was just kind of like a whatever bathroom, but you know, it works and it's okay. Oh, and also very, very important, it had in-unit laundry, so that's definitely a good thing. And then lastly, this view was like amazing. This apartment specifically had the best view, as you can see, the waterfront, so that was really great. So for the second apartment, it was quite similar. It was just a different layout. As you can see, it was wider instead of just being at like a box, if you know what I mean. So this was the kitchen. It was again remodeled, very nice. And then this was the balcony. I really like the balcony outside, which I'll show you guys later. Or am I showing you right now? I'm showing you right now. And this was just very spacious, so I really, really like the balcony on this one the best, and the view was again amazing. And I don't know, I just really liked it a lot. Like, god damn, look at those views. Like, imagine waking up to this every single morning. Like, oh, that's so amazing. But yeah, this one is probably my favorite balcony. And then once you went back in, the kitchen was really nice. I really like that island. And then this was one of the rooms. The rooms were definitely smaller, but they were really similar. Like, I did not see a difference between the master and the other bedroom. So yeah, there's also a closet space in this one, and also had like a cool little layout inside, which is really awesome. And again, I just love the lighting in all of these apartments. And then the bathroom looked very similar to the other one, nothing special, but again, it works and it is fine, honestly. So for this third apartment, it was in the same management, but it was a different building, so it was a little bit different. I really loved the finishes on this one. It was lighter instead of darker. And again, it had very similar feels to it, but I really liked how this one had hardwood floors in the bedrooms. The other ones had carpet, so I really liked that. The view again was amazing, and it was not as great as the other ones, but it was still really good, and the lighting was really good. And also I really loved how this one had 3 closets, so that's a lot of storage. That is definitely a plus. And also the bathrooms I personally liked way better because it had like that lighter finish and it just looked better, more remodeled to me for some reason. I was just more attracted to it, so I like these bathrooms better than the other ones. I know know it's a small detail, but I really liked the feel to this apartment. Overall, I just loved how light it felt. It felt very kind of like beachy and modern, and I don't know, I just really loved this apartment. So this is probably one of my favorites. And then also this apartment had a balcony. It wasn't as big as the second one, but it was still a decent size, and also it had a pretty good view, so it was good. Okay, so this next apartment was actually located in La Jolla, which if you don't know, that is North San Diego. It is a very safe and nice community, which is why it was a little bit more expensive. But the downside is like there's not as much to do compared to downtown, but it's also way safer. But anyways, the kitchen was remodeled, which I really loved. And also what I really loved about this place was the high ceilings. I really, really loved that. And also how lighting came in through here. And then the balcony was okay. It was just like a regular balcony facing another complex, which was, again, okay, but still very nice, and loved the light coming through there. Then by going upstairs, there was this like open area, which it could be like a living room, but for my case, it would be my office area. And I just didn't really like how not much lighting was coming in. There was only 2 small windows there, and it felt a little bit secluded. So I wasn't a big fan, but again, I was a big fan of the high ceilings though, so that made it better. So I really enjoyed that. And then going into the master bedroom, I quickly want to show you this closet. It also had like a big bathroom, and this bathroom was very nice. I really like the bathtub just because I want to take baths, so that was a plus. And then the bedroom was nothing special. It was just like a regular bedroom. It only had 1 window, which I didn't really like that much, but it was okay. And you know, it's still really nice. I just wish that there was more lighting. And lastly, I did want to show you this because this was only 1 bedroom and obviously it was the cheapest. So I kind of wanted to show you what you can get in California for 1 bedroom. So this was a remodeled kitchen, which is really nice. The living room was also very spacious. Again, there was not much lighting, which is not my preference, but for people that don't really care about lighting, it is still really nice. And I really like this little patio. It was actually quite spacious, and I really liked that a lot. And then going into the bedroom, it had a nice closet, and then also had an unit laundry, which by the way, all the other apartments I've shown had a unit laundry. I just realized that I may not have shown it. And then this room was pretty decent. It had a small window, which wasn't really my preference, but again, I'm just picky about that. And then the bathroom was also very nice. I liked the finishes because it was white, so I personally really liked it. Okay, so we just finished the La Jolla apartments. As you can see, that community is just like very safe, and it was also very nice. I really like the den one because obviously I need like an office space compared to just the 1 bedroom, and the 1 bedroom just didn't really have that great lighting anyways, but the den one was really cool. And also it is really nice because La Jolla is just a very safe community, so I would feel very safe there, but it just didn't have like the cool windows and all of that, which was like so fun in the other apartments. So I'm obviously still deciding. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, or which one you would personally get if you were moving, because I'm curious to see what you're interested in. So yeah, that's kind of an update. I will probably update you guys in what I get in the next video, so stay tuned. I'm going to turn this into a whole moving series, which is very, very fun. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!